Established in 1951, Sadac is a brand and is abbreviated for South African Dust and Air Control Transvaal Pty Limited. Sadac has over the years concentrated on the development and sustainability of equipment to meet the mining and industrial sector of local and foreign markets. To this end, a brand of Sadac equipment is offered for dust and air pollution control applications. Sadac is continually developing and improving existing designs and construction methods to meet the standards and requirements of modern industry. All equipment is locally manufactured in-house to Sadac quality management program and safety standards. If required, Sadac has the resources to offer our clients complete turnkey project management, drafting, supervision, installation and maintenance services of the equipment supplied. The primary and most efficient dry filtration and dust collection equipment is the Sadac fully automatic reverse pulse fabric filter unit. Commonly referred to as a bag filter unit, but uniquely advanced by design, construction methods and automation to suit each application. This unit is utilized for high dust loads, extended periods of operation and a demand to meet exhaust emission legislation. The reverse pulse filter is most suited to fine dry dust particulate with filtration efficiencies peaking at 99.9% at 5 microns. The dust collector range offers automatic, continuous online filter cleaning, thereby maintaining a low, even pressure differential under normal working conditions. The filter cleaning makes use of compressed air, which is delivered to a series of pulse valves via a common compressed air manifold. The pulse valves, which are coupled to an electronic controller, delivers a sequential cleaning cycle which actuates each pulse valve under a preset program or via differential pressure monitor. The compressed air is released by the pulse valve and induces a blast of compressed air to the inner tube of each filter bag. The compressed air blast is accelerated by a venturi into the inner core of the filter bag. The resulting effect is reverse air flow, which agitates the filter bag and allows the dust collected on the outer surface to lift off and move downward. This process is continuous and causes a downward rolling effect as the dust gathers on the outer surface of the filter and then eventually falls off and collects in the hopper below. A dedicated pulse valve will pulse a row of 11 filter bags at any given time. The electronic sequencer has programmable features, allowing the user to program, among other variables, the pulse duration and pause time. Offline cleaning cycles can also be programmed when the plant is no longer in operation. The Sadac reverse pulse filter housing arrangement is constructed from prefabricated mild steel panels which are formed to provide rigidity and giving the housing the overall strength and integrity to withstand pressures of up to 5 kPa. These components make up the various filter housings offered, and this method of construction is unique to the Sadac range. Full-size Sadac design access doors are provided. These access doors include Sadac design explosion venting panels. There are two primary types of reverse pulse units: the side entry access to the filter housing and top entry. Preference is given to the customer's choice, with consideration to the type of dust being collected, access requirements, frequency, and safety. The filter housing design and sizing is based on standardizing components, and where applications are large, multiple units are installed, either in series or parallel configuration. Sadac has long since abandoned the custom-built filter, as this relates to higher manufacture and transport costs. To manage dust handling, these units come with a wide choice of hopper arrangements. There is the multiple port hopper with either rotary feeder discharge or manual dump valve to drums, bulk bags or skip waste containers. Or there is the screw conveyor and rotary feed discharge arrangement, very often selected for pneumatic conveying and skip waste collection. To complete the plant package, Sadac has a comprehensive range of heavy-duty centrifugal fans. The fan is installed on the clean air exhaust of the filter system. With the fan operating in clean air, it makes it possible to select the most efficient impeller. The backward incline impeller ultimately reduces power consumption and maintenance and provides for quiet, continuous operation. We hope that you have enjoyed this presentation. Please see our website for further product information.